Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, spoilers, and giveaways. We have an unboxing for you today of the NewBeauty TestTube January, February tube, as well as we're giving away one of these items to one of you. Let me set this down. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. For all my return subscribers, you know I love you guys. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of February, it is the ColourPop Cabana Club palette. It is what is on my eyes today. Looks like this on the inside. I do have a brand new one for you. This one's mine, so I've got a new one for you. If you look in the description box down below under current giveaways, it'll take you to the video, talks about how to enter this one, as well as my other giveaways that I've got going on. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in this video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for this giveaway. So the NewBeauty TestTube, it is mainly, I found to be a skincare box. And there's usually some good for you type items in there too. And every once in a while they will throw in a makeup item. It does come out every other month for $38.90. And then it does have over $200 value in it. So now a while back I did some spoilers for this one and finally have the box here, so let's dive into it. So this is the New Year tube, but I just got it. The reason it's called test tube is because most of the stuff does come in this tube. I know at least one of the items couldn't fit in here. So let's get to that one first. I believe that NewBeauty TestTube is the oldest kind of makeup skincare subscription box company out there. So this is a product that we have gotten in the past. It is by Livian Labs. It's a liposol vitamin C. It is $36.95. It's kind of like an oral supplement. I need to get my glasses, so I got my notes on my phone so I can read them. It is shown to effectively raise vitamin C content in white blood cells. Lipoceric vitamin C provides a powerful way to support the immune system. We all could use that about now. I have tried it before and I really did like these when I did it before. So let's get into the tube itself. So the first item in here, and I was just needing to purchase a new one of these, not necessarily from this brand because I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before, but it is a comprehensive retinol eye cream. I love retinol eye creams for my dark circles. It really helps underneath. This one does retail for $54, combining the anti-aging and barrier-boosting effects of retinol with hydrating benefits of an eye cream. This under-eye healer targets fine lines and dark circles for a brighter appearance. And then here's kind of what the inner packaging looks like. The next item in here is a repeat product as well, but I absolutely love this. So this is the Grande Cosmetics Grande Primer Pre-Mascara Lengthening and Thickener. It does retail for $25. And it's a pre-mascara lash booster that coats your lashes to prepare them for mascara application and boosts its effectiveness. The lash primer is a perfect foundation for your eyelash routine. So it's basically a white mascara that you kind of put on, and it just helps your other mascara look longer and luscious and everything else. The reason they do it white is that way you make sure that you cover up all of the foundation mascara that's on there. The next item in here is from DollTen. It is a Lip Genius Self-Sharpening Lip Liner. Kind of looks like that, kind of a dark mauve color. So it is ultra smooth and soft in texture. This always sharp lip liner not only melts into the skin like a dream, but it also provides vibrant color that lasts throughout the day. And that is what it kind of looks like. Pretty. The next item in here is from Miss Spa. It is a Pore Sure Double Detox Peel Off Mask. It does retail for $15. And it's both detoxifying and exfoliating. This double duty peel draws out toxins from the skin, making the pores appear smaller. As an added bonus, this mask also adds a burst of brightness for a fresh face, just like left from the spa glow. From T. Taya Epson Javon, Mother of Pearl, does retail for $4.99. And the soap-soaked sponge is formulated for daily use and keeps the skin looking even and bright post-shower. So basically in the shower, wet the soap sponge and apply in circular motions to the body area. After use, rinse and let it dry. From One Kind is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. Retails for $38. If your skin is craving a sip of water, One Kind's Ultra Hydrating Cream is the answer. Rich in soothing extracts and oils, this non-greasy formula feels like smoothing dream right before bedtime. And lastly, from Manicadar is a Lip Balancing Color Chemistry Lip Balm. Retails for $19. It's a color-changing balm that is fueled by the pH of your lips. This moisture formula is made to suit any skin tone and keeps your pout looking naturally luscious all throughout the day. I love things like this. It kind of looks like this. And I've already got lipstick on, so let's just try it on. Ooh, it's really soft and nice on the hand. And at least for my pH, that's kind of what it looks like. There, pretty, love this. So I thought it was a pretty good box. I wish there weren't as many repeat products that, you know, we've kind of had in the past. Secret word is February. So let's give away that sponge soap. I've already got a bunch of spongellas that I'm already using, basically the same thing. So I'd rather pass this along to somebody else who can use it. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once. You can get 3 different bonus entries, and what you need to do is, if you want those bonus entries, is go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. You can follow me on Twitter. It's that same BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Or you can share this video. That'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. So there's 3 extra entries. So there's a spot on that Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Make sure to put on it your secret word, but only fill out that Google form once. But if you did those bonus entries, mark on it that you did them. If you did do those extra entries, make sure that you did, because I do check on those. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have this giveaway go through March 11th at midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on the 16th, I will take first names, first initial of your last name, as well as if you have completed those bonus entries, I'll put those into my computer as well. The computer kind of spins it around. We all see it. The computer picks it. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those Google forms. Your privacy is very important to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to be subscribed. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button and mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways. If you like this video, give it a big like. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.